for the temple faced east. The water was flowing down from below.
Drum roll, please.
Papakita rin ng pagiging nanay. Alam niya kung meron kong nararamdaman, may sakit ka, kakamustahin ka. So may mga bagay hindi kami na-overlook ni Pastor. Si Mama yun.
Our next minister of the month is awarded to Richard Figueroa. Tubog tayo ng mga taga-Venezuela. Diyan.